Your business just grew 3 heads: leads from your form, clients from post-pilot, an AI employee doing 3 jobs. And it's all living in different tabs: sticky notes, screenshots, your memory. That's exactly how businesses drop clients. Day 18. The whole business on one dashboard. Not a $99 a month app. A free Google Sheet. The same free sheets your lead form already talks to. Here's the mission control we're building. Zone 1. Leads. Remember the day 16 form? One click sends every submission here. A new lead fills it out, and a new row appears by itself. Zone 2. Clients. Every client, their plan, and what they pay you. One column always tells you who's due next. Zone 3. Content. 30 days of posts, colored by status. Green is posted. Yellow is scheduled. Gray is your to-do list. Your AI employee fills this grid with one prompt. Zone 4. Money. Who's paid, who hasn't, and your monthly total. One formula adds it up while you sleep. And across the top, your business health bar. Open one tab, and you know everything in 5 seconds. See that red cell? That's tomorrow's problem, caught today. This is what dashboard apps charge $99 a month for. Yours is free, and it's already wired to your lead form. Build time, about 10 minutes. Or don't build it at all. My template is in the kit. Copy it, rename it, and your business finally has a home. 1 person, 6 clients, 0 chaos. The template and every formula are in the kit. Pinned comment, free, subscribe. Because tomorrow, day 19, raising your prices without losing a single client.